Today guys, I'm going to show you how to get a screenshot using a keyboard shortcut. This is my go-to, I use it practically every single day, and it is really straightforward. So as I get into it, smash the like button, subscribe if you want more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay guys, we are going to just start on the desktop right here, and I've got this empty Word document on the right, and I've got the desktop on the left. I'm going to screenshot a part of this desktop, and I'm going to put it onto our document here. Now there are many tools out there that let you basically go ahead and take a screenshot, right? But they are really quite cumbersome, and they're right, you have to find them, navigate to them, activate them, draw what you want, then go ahead and put it where you need it if you get like a file somewhere. Like, it's really not that intuitive. So I'm going to show you a keyboard shortcut that cuts through all of the BS and gives you exactly what you need. Okay, now the shortcut is Shift, Windows key, and S. So the way that I do this is I hold the Shift key down, I hit the Windows key and hold that down, and then hit S. What it will do is it will turn the entire screen a little bit grey, so you can't see what is going on. And then you basically just highlight and copy the area that you want. Then it's on your clipboard, right? So now it's effectively just copied and it's ready to be pasted somewhere. Now I can come into my document, I can go ahead and right click, and I can go ahead and paste, and you can see it right there. Or alternatively, another shortcut that I like is Control and V, and it will paste it into your document like so. Okay, so it's a really straightforward way to capture exactly what you need using, Shift, Windows, and S, rather than having to use a whole application to screenshot something and then go and find the file. It might be in your photos, might be in your documents, and then go ahead and drag and drop that into whatever you're looking to do. This basically just cuts all of that out. It's Shift, Windows, and S, and that is it. And guys, it is as easy as that to take a screenshot on Windows 11. If this has worked for you and you found it useful and informative, smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.